How to create a YouTube channel for a school or educational institution. To create a YouTube channel for a school or educational institution, you'll need to follow these steps. Go to YouTube and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have a Google account, you can create one for free. Click on the camera icon in the top right corner of the screen to create a new video, or select the drop-down arrow next to the camera icon and select Go to YouTube Studio. In YouTube Studio, click on the Customization tab in the left menu and then select Channel. Click on the Add a Channel button and select Create a New Channel. Give your channel a name and select Create. Click on the Verify button to verify your channel. You'll need to provide a phone number to receive a verification code. Enter the verification code and click Verify. Once your channel is verified, you can start uploading videos and creating playlists. Keep in mind that YouTube has community guidelines that you should follow to avoid having your channel or videos removed. You should also make sure to get permission from anyone featured in your videos before uploading them to YouTube.